You gotta roll pretty damn quick.
Here he is. Roy. Cardboard box kid. Doesn't have anything to wax on. It looks like straight from the factory. Unpack your exterior. And here comes
What happened there?
I put some.
What a sport.
My front.
Oh no. Roy bites it.
All right, Brad. What are you talking into that for, Dave?
Oh, no.
I thought you had a good boat. Where'd it fail? Let's get it on film. Where'd it fail? Well, Roy hasn't got in his boat yet.
Yeah.
Come on, Roy, get in that thing. Get in the boat.
Yeah, I want to take some pictures. Oh well, it passed.
Boy, aren't you going to give it a try?
Yeah. I'm taking it in water. All my glue can't
You
work.
guys almost quit.
I used the wrong kind of water seal.
Uh-huh. That really pisses me off.
Great.
It just isn't going to work. The whole thing just fell apart again. Next time I use deck fix.
Hey, did you get my sink on camera?
I saw you go down.
This is great.
Nice sink.
Start it up.
Always try. He doesn't have much faith in it.
Big tall water coming in.
Get forward! Get forward! Quick!
He really gets down at the, right at the dock.
Oh, yeah, come on.
Right at the dock. We give you an A for effort.
Come on, Savage! No, he can still do it! Come on, Savage!
Battle.
Harder, Ryan, harder! Alright! Put it on the bottom of the lake. Oh, they've down it.
Oh, it's going to go around this side. Oh, maybe I'm wait, I'll watch that hard.
There you go, that's it.
Well,